What's up YouTube? Is your American Standard Vormax toilet leaking? You just need some new flappers. So I've had this toilet about 2 years and I love everything about it except that it leaks. But only when these wear out. I've had these in about 6 months, so I expect these to last another 6 months, and it's better than replacing the whole toilet because these only cost like $8. Alright, so first thing you want to do is turn off the water. Then give it a flush. Alright, so first thing before you change the flappers, just make sure in your current setup that everything is coming down and sealing. So just move your handle just a little bit just to make sure that the flap is coming down on both. You'll notice there's a little hook that comes down on the red side. Make sure that's coming down. And if that's not, you can adjust this. So if you hold this and then spin this part here, you can adjust it up or down. So once that's good, we're ready to change the flappers. You don't have to take it completely out. Just lift it up and then pull them out of their little holes here. There's a little kind of mushroom cap that's keeping them in. There's the old one. See, it doesn't look too bad, but they do get a little slippery. You can see it's kind of indented a little bit. I don't know if you can see those water lines. So that's why the seal is leaking now, because it's made those indents. You see the new one is completely smooth. So then if the old one has the big one in the back, just replace it with the same big one in the back. I would start with that one. Big one in the back, pop it in. Then one on the left side. And then make sure this is not stuck on its hook. And then just do the same for the other side. Pop it out. I'll leave a link for these in the description. Same thing. Big part in the back goes in first. You can see those are already staying down a lot better than the other one. Alright, now you can wash your hands and turn the water back on. Alright, turn the water back on. Alright, so then when you got it filled up, you're going to want to flush it a couple times. I can already tell that it's actually sealing again. Again, if that float is not letting it close all the way, you got to adjust that little screw. Alright, I flushed it a couple times and I don't hear you leaking, so we're good to go. This is a super easy fix. I'll leave a link for the flappers in the description. Give us a like and subscribe, and see you next time.